Welcome to Physics for Form 1. In this series, we are going to learn some important concepts selected from the topics in Form 1 syllabus. Physics as a science. Physics, together with chemistry, form a major branch of study called physical science. Physical science and biological science then constitute the broad area of study known as science. This relationship is as illustrated on the tree diagram. Branches of physics. Physics consists of the following branches: heat, magnetism, electricity, mechanics, light, electronics, sound, and waves. Physics and technology. Some areas of physics are used in technology. Technology is the application of science in real-life situations, and it includes road construction, communication, aviation, and medical technology, among others. Careers in physics. Physics is related to many careers in life, and these include engineering, information technology, architecture, teaching, medicine, meteorology, and astronomy, the study of the universe. Safety and laboratory rules. Laboratory work often involves use of equipment and substances which pose risks but are otherwise quite safe if used properly. It is therefore important to observe the laid down safety rules to ensure your own safety as well as the safety of other students and the materials in the laboratory. These rules will also contribute to your success in experiments and accuracy of results.